here we go. What's going on, guys? It's Cam from Boosted Daily here. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on the Mark 6 Golf R. Alright, I got this kit from ECS Tuning. Came to about $58. Definitely worth the money. Great packaging with all the oil, OEM filter, and even came with a new drain plug. Major props to ECS for their oil changing kit. What you're going to want to do is take the oil cap off when you're draining the oil out of the oil pan to allow it to flow more freely out. It'll definitely help with that. I mean, not everyone does it, but I like to do it. Alright guys, we're under the car right now. We got the splash guard. You gotta remove the bolts all the way around. Got some cow manure all over it. Living in New York's quite a blast. Alright guys, you want to get your oil drain pan. I got a 19mm socket. The plug is right here. And just want to remove that first. It's like defusing a bomb when the engine's still kind of warm. That's the best time to do an oil change because all the oil is good right there. Alright. Great success. Alrighty, so we just got our new plug from ECS Tuning. I'm going to wipe off the remaining oil here, put it back in, then we'll go right to draining the oil filter and replacing that as well. And you don't want to over tighten these. I've seen it happen. It's not pretty at all. It happened to me actually, and I had to replace the entire oil pan on my Jetta. It's not a good time. Alright, so for the oil filter on this car, you're going to want to remove this cap right here. It'll reveal a little orange nipple. What you're going to do is take a screwdriver and just push that in. Get all the oil out of the reservoir. Almost got me right in the face. Alright, once you're done draining the oil out of the oil filter, what you're going to do is take your screwdriver, pop the nipple back out of it so it doesn't drain. Just wipe it off. Alrighty, so I'm gonna take the oil filter housing off with this giant ratchet with a 30mm socket. If I can get the clearance up here. Shouldn't have too much oil coming out, but I'm just going to be safe about it. And there it is, the old oil filter. Oh gosh. I'm gonna get a new paper towel and kind of rinse that out. Alright, so before you put the new oil filter in, what you're gonna want to do, you want to take out the old O-ring, needle nose pliers, alright, it's out. What you're gonna want to do next, take your new O-ring, dip your finger in the new oil, get it covered in oil for a good seal. And place it in to the housing. Then you're gonna want to take the new filter, put it in, and reinstall it. Just lay it on some nails. Felt nice. Hand tighten it, and then give it a nice quick little tighten with the ratchet. But this ratchet packs a lot of torque, so I don't want to strip anything. I'm just gonna barely tighten it. Sounds good to me. Alright, then what you're gonna want to do next, put the cap back on. And you just replaced an oil filter on a Mark 6 Golf Hunt. Alright, so now we're going to start filling the engine with the oil. I'm using Castrol Edge Professional OE 5W40 full synthetic. It takes about 4.7 to 4.8 quarts. So let's begin. Once again, thanks for watching. This is Cam with Boosted Daily. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Hey, Rude. There he is. Get him on the YouTube channel. Get him. This is Jude.
Hello there.
The man himself. The man, the myth, the legend. Quarter of the trees.
No.